Hello, hello, hello. What ho! Welcome back to another exciting adventure of the Plain Truth. I'm your host, Travis Finley. This is going to be a quick video that's pretty interesting. So let's see, how can I open larger file suite? Photo. Happy Monday to you. I almost didn't shoot the moon last night because I'm like, not gonna see anything spectacular. I was wrong, but unfortunately, I don't know what happened. I had this thing in my sights from the beginning of its ingress until I left, and I don't like when it was coming up over the mountain, and and then when I got back, I had nothing on my phone except for the end of it. So I don't know if I just didn't push record or what. Anyways, you can't really see it there. Maybe I'll just make this bigger. Okay. See the highlighted part right here? That highlighted part? That's the focal length. Focal length is 357. Okay. And this is last night, October 9, and the time is off. It's 6:50. Off. But anyways, so there's that one, and then here's this morning. Okay, there's the moon. See the moon? And then there's the moon, right? So this one, 3:57, right? October 10th, 3:25 is actually 5:25 a.m. Okay, so right there. Okay, see that? See how that works? So then let's do this. Actually, let's open up the morning shot because the morning shot was a better contrast either way. Okay, so there's that. This back over. Okay. Move that back over. I'm going to add a layer. That one. So look, there. Kind of like getting your optometrist. Oh. Oh. I see. Okay. Ready? See what happens? Ready for this? Are you ready for this? Right? Right? Slide it on. Put it on over. And yeah. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. Here, don't you think? Moon, right? Focal length. Huh. So yeah, love to hear your thoughts on this. So got vertical compression. Anyways, this has been another exciting adventure of the Plain Truth. I'm your host, Travis Finley. Until next time.